Saints. My name is Bradley Holt. I am 4 years old. I will be reciting for you an excerpt from the Keep Hope Alive speech delivered by the Reverend Jesse Louis Jackson Sr. Tonight, we pause and give praise and honor to God for being good enough to allow us to be at this place at this time. When I look out at this convention, I see the face of America. Red, yellow, brown, black, and white. We are all precious in God's sight. The real Rainbow Coalition. All of us who are here think that we are seated, but we are really standing on someone's shoulders. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. must feel good as he looks down upon us. We see here together a rainbow, a coalition. The sons and daughters of slave masters and the sons and daughters of slaves sitting here together around a common table. I was born in the slum, but the slum was not born in me. But it wasn't born in you. You can make it. Wherever you are tonight, you can make it. Hold your head high. Stick your chest out. You can make it. It gets dark sometimes, but the morning comes. Don't you surrender. Suffering breeds character. Character breeds faith. In the end, faith will not disappoint. Keep hope alive. Keep hope alive. Keep hope alive. Thank you.